Hello, welcome back to Well Seedling. I'm Adefemi. Most people don't fail because they never start. They fail because they stop. They plant the seed, then life gets busy and everything dries up. But this is the truth. If you walk away now, it does not just pause, it slowly dies. The seed possesses strength. It is the absence of a sustaining system that hinders it. Today, I will show you how to build that system, a way to keep your money growing even when you are not looking. This is what we call watering. And watering your finances means one thing: consistency, not intensity, not perfect timing, just small actions repeated over time. Because a seed does not grow from one moment of care, it grows from repeated attention. This is the point where many people lose their footing. They start strong, then the excitement fades. So instead of relying on motivation, build structure. Automate your savings. Let your money move before you even think about it. A well-built system keeps moving even when your motivation doesn't. Then life happens. An unexpected bill appears, and suddenly everything feels like it is going backwards. This is why you need a buffer, not a big amount, just something that protects your progress. Even a small emergency fund can keep your growth alive. And then comes distraction. You start comparing, you start switching, you start doubting your own plan. But wealth does not grow in confusion, it grows in consistency. Even your money can begin to water itself when you reinvest what it earns. That is how progress multiplies quietly. If you remember nothing else, remember this: save, learn, invest, repeat. That is the system. A seed does not die overnight, it dies slowly from neglect, and wealth follows the same rule. So do not just plant your money, protect it with consistency, because the people who build wealth are not the ones who start perfectly, they are the ones who refuse to stop. So tell me, what is one small action you will automate this week? Comment watering once you have set your system. And in the next part, we will talk about the harvest, where these small actions finally start to multiply into real results. This is Well Seedling. Start where you are, grow what you have,